And today I'll be showing you guys how to make an online status symbol for your icon, whether you're trying to make like a social media app or like some sort of app to show that the user is online. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this UI design through code. And sorry if I haven't been posting lately, but I'm going to start getting back on it regularly now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is first you want to have a folder open up in Visual Studio Code. My folder is called Online Circle, and I made two files, a style.css file and a test.html file. Alright, so let's get started. First, what we're going to do is we're going to start up the template on the test.html. Now to do that, all you have to do is press exclamation point and boom, you have your test.html. Now in the body, I'm going to create two little things, okay? The first one is going to be a div class. I'm going to write a div tag, okay? We're going to have write a div, and in this div, I'm going to put another div in here called div of, I'm going to call this one, I'm going to give it a class of green dot, okay? And then the first div, I'm going to also give this a class of circle. Boom, okay? Green dot. Let me spell this correctly. And then in the style.css, this is where we're going to change how it looks and everything. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to do is, since we have a body tag in the test.html, I'm going to want to write that first. So body, and then, I spelled that wrong. I'm going to say background color of black. Alright. And, yeah, I'm going to make the circle as well. Alright. So the circle, we're going to call this to be a width of 100 pixels, a height of 100 pixels, background color of white, border radius, let me give it like 50%, and then we can give a position of absolute, top 50%, because we're going to try to center this on the page, and I'll give this 50% as well. And then a transform, translate, negative 50%, negative 50%. Let me fix this. Okay, this is looking good. I think the only thing I need to do that I haven't done yet is link the CSS file to my HTML file. So let's do that. So if I link rel, or let me just do link CSS and style.css. See, it automatically does that for me. And let me save the style.css, and then test.html gets saved as well. And boom, on the right hand of the screen, you could have seen that it refreshed, and we have the white circle now. Not perfect, right? So, you could add an image into this white circle just to make it like a picture of someone, or like change it to like a color green or whatever. But that's up for you to decide. I'm just here to show you how to make it an online status. All right, so now we have to add some styles to the green dots. All right, so in order to do that, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to the style.css, and I'm going to write, uh, actually, I have to set a curve to this white circle first. So let me do that first. So we're gonna do dot circle, and then we're gonna do before, and then I'm gonna give this a content of nothing. I'm gonna give this position absolute. I'm gonna give bottom 0, right 0, width of 30 pixels, height of 30 pixels. Background, you want this background to be transparent because you want to be transparent to the color black, just to make it aesthetically pleasing. And then a border radius of 100%, 0, 0, 0, and then we're going to give this a background color of black. And let's save this, and boom, we have the little curve going. Awesome, that's what we want. So that's how you make the curve. That's circle with before. And now let's get right into the green dot, so we can affect this green dot right here. And we're gonna write dot green dot, and give us a position not inherit absolute. and then bottom 0, right 0, width of 20 pixels. You can change the width and height depending on how big you want the green dot to be, but I just think that this 20 pixels is a good number for it to look good. 0D. And I don't use green. I'm going to use like a neon. I already have this color memorized because I use this for my other projects, and it just looks better than the normal green style. And let's get this border radius to 50%. All right, let's save. Oops. Let's save this. And boom, we got the green dot. Okay. So that's how this would be looking. Let's say you want to put this on your e-commerce website, or social media website. This is how the online status would look like, and it looks good. You got a little curve on the white circle and the green dot showing up. It looks good so far. If you want me to do more features in the future, let me know. I could probably do an away status, a busy status. Just let me know. Please like the video, comment, subscribe for more content. Thank you.